How to track your Amazon FBA shipments. So this is another short video from the series in which I have made couple of short videos to explain to you how you can actually send your inventory safely to Amazon FBA warehouse. Like if you're sourcing that product from China or anywhere in the world, then how you can actually create international shipping plan so you can actually send that inventory safely from any other country to your Amazon FBA warehouse. And on the other hand, if you're sourcing your product locally from your country, then what is the difference between that shipping plan in which you are sending goods internally from your country? So after creating those videos, I thought that I should make a video on how you can actually track your shipment, because when you place the order, send your shipment, and that shipment will be picked up or sent from your supplier warehouse, then the only worry you will get is where my shipment is. Like, is it in the sea, is it in the port, or is it in the truck? So in order to track your shipment, you can ask the shipment ID from your supplier, so they can actually give you the shipment ID from whatever carrier they use to ship your product. Like it can be UPS, TCS, FedEx, or any other carrier. So once you get the tracking ID from your supplier, you can actually go on your Amazon Shipment, put that tracking ID, so you can actually get the latest update from that shipping carrier on your Amazon Seller Center. So you'll be able to know like where your shipment is right now, what will be the estimated date for that shipment to get checked in into Amazon FBA warehouse, and what is the exact date on which you will get your inventory available to sell on Amazon FBA warehouse, so you can actually plan your sales or marketing strategy accordingly. So if you're interested in learning this short trick, then keep on watching this short video till the end, because this video is small but having a very good free information that you must have. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my seller center right now. So after getting the shipping ID from your supplier or from your carrier, you need to go on your seller center, and on the left side you need to click on this menu, and then you can navigate on this inventory tab, and from there you can just click on this shipment tabs. So after clicking from the shipment tab, you will be able to see all of your shipments which you have created in past, and all of your inventory which you have sent in past. You can see that all of my shipments, like this shipment of 300 units, this shipment of 700 units, are already at Amazon FBA warehouse, and these shipments are closed. But the status of this new shipment is receiving. That means I have created this plan on February 25 and I have sent this inventory on April 18. And right now this inventory is being received by Amazon, but Amazon is still receiving some cartons. Like they are 1000 units, so 995 units Amazon received and 5 units left. So they might get those 5 units in this week or maybe next week. So right now here you can see that in unit expected I am having 1000, and units located I am having 995. So from where Amazon get this data? Amazon basically get this data from the tracking ID which I have just inserted on Amazon Seller Center. So if you're also having a tracking ID, you need to go on this page, and then you need to click on the name of this shipment. So this name can be different on your side as per your shipment. So after clicking on that link, you will be able to see the shipping plan like this. So you can see that this was the shipment name, and on 25 February this shipment was created, and all of the address like shipped from or shipped to, and the SK information and the units information you can see there. But when I go down, I can see 4 tabs here, like shipment events, track shipments, content, and problem. So if your shipment is having any problem, like there are some missing or damaged units, you will be able to see those discrepancy here in this problem tab. And if you want to see the content, like how much SKU or how many products are there in this shipment and how many units of each product are there, you can just click on this content tab to see. And then if you want to put the tracking ID, you can just click on this track shipment button. And from that tab, you will be able to see these FBA ID about the carton. You can see that this was the carton number 1, this was the carton number 2, and here is the detail of all of the cartons I am having. So here you can see that on every carton tab, I have entered this tracking ID already. So here is the tracking ID, and here is the status of that ID, like confirm. Like whatever ID you get from your supplier or shipping carrier, you can just go on this tracking tab, and in all of those carton field, you can just paste that ID and click on confirm. And if you put the correct ID here, you will be able to see the status confirm and a tick mark here, that means the ID is successfully updated, and whenever Amazon will get any update from your carrier or supplier, that will update here. So you can see that after putting that tracking ID here, I will be able to see all of the status of all of the dates. Like on 15 April, that package actually left the carrier facility, and on 17 April, that package is out for delivery, and on 17 April, that package is delivered. So this is basically amazing tool. Like after putting your tracking ID, you will be able to track the events of your shipment carton by carton and date by date. And same for the other, if you put the same ID on all of the carton, you can see that the ID in all of the field is confirmed, and here I can just track the data for all of the dates and for all of the carton. So after you put all of the ID and click on confirm, then if you go back on that shipment event, so you will be able to see all of those events here. Like on 25th February, that shipment was created, and then that fuel increased, and then my shipment was in transit, and then it was delivered. And then on 18 April, it was checked into Amazon FBA warehouse, and right now it is in receiving state. And once all of those units will be received by Amazon, then this shipment will close, and you will be able to see this circle green, like shipment closing. And as you can see here, Amazon is showing me all of the warehouses address on which Amazon is basically splitting my carton. Like maybe Amazon was sending some cartons to this warehouse, some to this, and some to this. So after all of the warehouses receive all of those carton, you will be able to see this circle green, and the shipment will be closed. So that will be the benefit of entering the shipment ID, the tracking ID from your supplier here in the Amazon. So in that way, you will be able to track your shipment, like on which date you can get your shipment delivered and on which date your shipment was checked in. So if you have also sent your shipment to Amazon FBA warehouse and you haven't put the tracking yet, then right after watching this video, go there, ask your carrier or supplier about the tracking ID and put your tracking ID into Amazon FBA shipment and track that shipment, so that will make a lot of tasks easier for you. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.
What we do here is go back.